Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and we're all having a fantastic day today. So did you know that there's over 450 million users on Pinterest? The reality is that Pinterest is a massive player in the social media space, and it's not just a place to find, the latest recipes or some crafts. In fact, Pinterest has an immensely lucrative audience that more and more people are starting to take advantage of. And that's why today I'm covering 5 legit and high-paying ways you can start making money with Pinterest today. Some of these ideas are also perfect for beginners and don't even require having a website of your own. And I'm also using some of these ideas to make passive income with Pinterest by using AI. So there's a lot of cool ideas in this video. You definitely don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. All right, so starting off with my favorite way to make money with Pinterest these days is to use affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And I know lots of people have talked about this before, but there's really a right way to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest and a wrong way. I'm going to tell you what, my thoughts are on this whole thing and how you can start making money really quickly. So affiliate marketing basically involves promoting products or services on behalf of other brands. And when you make a sale, you get a commission in exchange for making that sale. And now Pinterest is really a gold mine for affiliate marketing because a lot of its niches are product driven. And here's a cool example of an account I found that's doing some crazy affiliate marketing on Pinterest right now. The account is called Casey Amazon Finds, and basically they post a lot of product reviews from popular Amazon products in niches like beauty, clothing, kitchen gadgets, and home goods. Now this account has hundreds of thousands of monthly views at the time I'm making this video, and you can check the links, and they're basically all Amazon affiliate links that are going right to Amazon products. So this Pinterest account is probably earning thousands of dollars per month if I had to guess, because they're driving thousands of clicks to Amazon if I had to guess, to these really product driven niches. And I think the key that this account is getting right is they're using a lot of user generated content. They're not just taking an Amazon affiliate link and putting it on Pinterest and having the product be the image. They're actually making UGC content, or they're finding viral TikToks or reels or influencers who are talking about these products and using that to drive clicks to Amazon. And so I really wanted to start the video with this idea of making money on Pinterest because you don't need a website to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest, so it's super beginner friendly. That said, you can still do that if you do have a website, and that's what I'm actually doing with thisonlineworld.com every single day. So I personally use Pinterest to funnel traffic to some of my affiliate heavy posts on thisonlineworld.com. You can see my profile here. I'm going to put it up on screen. And the coolest part about this is all of the pins I've made have actually been made automatically by using AI with a really cool tool called Pin Generator. So with Pin Generator, all you have to do is input the URLs of the pages you want to generate pins for. It then generates unique eye-catching pins, and it's really easy to pin, to different boards and to create automatic pin cycles. It's super beginner friendly, and it can, really help you kind of supercharge your Pinterest account if you're currently not on Pinterest. What I like about Pin Generator is that its plans also start at $9.99 a month, so super affordable. This can generate hundreds or thousands of pins for you, again, just by using AI, and you can set it up on autopilot, and this is how I'm starting to drive more and more clicks every week to thisonlineworld.com. So again, I think it's super cool for affiliate marketers out there. You can do it with a website, you can do it without a website, tons of different ways to get started. You can use Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, you can explore a bunch of different affiliate programs and networks out there and start getting creative. And if you want a helping hand, I'm going to link Pin Generator down below if you want to check it out and also help support the channel. All right, and the second idea to make money with Pinterest is to start a Pinterest management agency. And so really the idea here is pretty simple just on paper. It's basically to offer Pinterest management to either bloggers or online business owners who need someone to help them grow their Pinterest reach and to get more traffic to their websites. And Pinterest is really a gold mine, but a lot of people don't either have the expertise or the time and willingness to learn how to build a following on Pinterest. And this is where you can step in and charge a pretty good fee. And so really my suggestion here would be to first start by launching some Pinterest theme pages just to learn how the platform works and to start building your portfolio. So create Pinterest accounts for different niches, grow the monthly follower viewership and following count. You can then approach business owners with these different pages and say, hey, if I built these theme pages, I can do the same thing for your business. Once you grow these accounts, again, you can start pitching bloggers in different Facebook groups. You can pitch online business owners, hey, I can help you diversify your traffic. Here's how. Start doing some cold emailing, cold outreach to try and get your first clients. And what I really like about this model is the whole pricing structure is pretty great. I mean, you can look at a bunch of different Pinterest management agencies out there and steal some examples of how they price themselves. So just looking at Pinfluence, you can see it starts at $620 a month in pricing. And really this plan is pretty basic. I mean, they're pinning 30 pins per day, but they're only making 10 unique pins for their customers. So they're really not doing that much work. They've probably automated a lot of these processes, and they're charging over $600 a month. So again, study what other agencies are doing, start learning the skills, start building your own Pinterest portfolio. And I I think starting a Pinterest agency is going to be a very popular niche moving forwards, especially because Google's been kind of weird lately. So a lot of bloggers are moving more into Pinterest these days and away from Google. All right, and the third idea is a little bit sneaky, but I really like it, and it's to sell digital products by funneling from Etsy to either a print-on-demand shop or some kind of digital product lander. And so this is really similar to affiliate marketing on Pinterest, except again, the idea here is to actually make your own digital product and to then use Pinterest to promote that product. And let me tell you, some people are making amazing income on Pinterest with this idea right now, just based on my research and a few bloggers I know. I mean, I searched for meal planners on Pinterest and you'll find tons of pages, all driving traffic to their printable shops. People are also doing this with things like coffee mugs, stickers, clothing, all kinds of popular print-on-demand products, and they're driving to their Etsy shops or their Shopify shop or their Redbubble listing, you name it. And again, there are tons of examples you can find out there of people with entire Pinterest accounts dedicated to funneling traffic to something like Etsy. Now again, you could also work with a print-on-demand provider to actually manufacture physical products that you sell to customers without you ever having to touch them. So again, Pinterest is really cool because you could sell digital downloads, you could sell, some products on your Etsy shop and use Pinterest as a massive driver of traffic. All right, and the fourth way you can start making money with Pinterest is to offer Pinterest SEO services. And so this idea is quite similar to the agency idea, but Pinterest is really a massive search engine as well as just a visually appealing place to find recipes and clothing ideas and all that kind of jazz. So you can offer a very niche service to Pinterest account holders and say, hey, I'll optimize your boards, I'll optimize your pins, your whole strategy, and help you get more results. And so you can take a look on Fiverr as an example and search for Pinterest optimization services. There's lots of easy gigs that, people are setting up boards for people, doing board cleanups, or just optimizing existing accounts. Another thing people are getting into is just Pinterest ad management. So this is, again, a more niche service you can get into. I think it makes sense to bundle it with general management services, but, there are people on Fiverr who just run Pinterest ads for businesses, and they're making really good money. So I thought it was a more niche idea, but it's pretty cool. All right, and the fifth and final way you can make money with Pinterest is to use Pinterest traffic to build your email list. And I have a really cool example I want to share here. So the idea is basically to funnel Pinterest traffic to a post or piece of content that has a lot of chances for people to opt in to receive emails from you, i.e. build your email list. And so here's a very cool example I found when searching on Pinterest myself. I found this post from Lucy, Cheers to Blogging, and she has a pin on how to write an ebook and make money to help other people sell digital products. So the pin itself looks great, her account looks great, she knows how to create, very visually appealing pins, but what's really cool is where her pins lead to in this example. So again, the pin looks great, and when you hit her website, she has an email capture in the sidebar, an email capture as you scroll down and find a freebie, and then another email course promo at the end of the page. So this is a prime example of how you could potentially get a free user from Pinterest, funnel them to an ebook promotion or some kind of digital download or course promotion, and capture their email. And from there, they're in your list. You can email them over and over and over again with different products, affiliate programs, promotions, coaching offers, all kinds of ways to monetize this one user you got for free. And what I really love about this idea, again, is it works for any niche. I mean, you can always create free downloads or printables or some value add that gets people to opt in to email in pretty much any niche. So Pinterest, even if it's not driving that much traffic, if you're converting them to email subscribers, it can be really powerful. Anyways, guys, that does it for some of my favorite ways to make money with Pinterest, moving forwards as we get into this whole world of AI and, affiliate marketing and, blogging changing and everything like that. Pinterest, at the end of the day, it's had some changes over the years. It's sometimes been great for affiliate marketing and bloggers. It's sometimes been really bad, but I think we're in a stage where having a diverse mix of channels can be really beneficial. And what I like about Pinterest is even beginners can get started. I know this video is a little bit different than some of the ones I normally make, so if you have any comments or thoughts or, ways you're making money on Pinterest, I'd love if you could let me know down in the comments as well. And again, I'm also linking Pin Generator in the description box if you want to give Pinterest a try, but you don't want to waste hours of your own time making products on Canva or learning how to design pins. I think Pin Generator is pretty cool. I'm going to keep testing it out because right now it's growing my account, so fingers crossed it keeps working. But anyways, guys, that does it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.